Mhm. And now Hi, this is Bhumi Raja. Welcome back to my channel. This is my first vlog of finally. Okay, not officially because results are still playing hide and seek. But yes, we have entered the final year era. Come with me for my pediatric dentistry postings, from case histories to behavior management, from finding patients to finding their missing parents in OPD, from GIC fillings to giving free chocolates as well, and of course, from frankly rating to frankly judging my life choices. Pediatric dentistry posting is not just dentistry, it's cardio, psychology, negotiation skills, storytelling, and sometimes the WWE. And parallelly, we also have our house shifting chaos. It was our first day of posting, and obviously, it started with the most traumatic thing ever, the important definitions viva. Why do definitions vanish exactly when Sir asks? And then from viva survival to actual clinical work. From scaling stains, fluoride application, to topical fluoride restorations, GIC mixing, caries excavation, and yes, from extractions to emotional drama. कैसा था गाइस फर्स्ट डे? जाने दे उसको. In between all this college drama, now starts the real house shifting chaos. So, yes, let's get started with packing my life into the boxes. So, today is 18th of February and it's probably my last day in this house. I am very much emotional right now because I have spent my around 21 years in this house and now it's not ours anymore and it's going for redevelopment. So I'm very much emotional right now. I have my house full of boxes. All the packing has been done and tomorrow we are going to shift to our another apartment. So yes, it's very much emotional for me right now and I don't know how the voice quality and everything will be there. But whatever, I thought I should record this and it will be a memory for life. So yes. We have just completed our puja. My duty is to write all the things on the boxes. My sound is only going. We are very much tired today. We came back and it was second week of the postings, which means we had our posted exams, cases, trays, vivas, and unexpected question at any random time of the day. Basically, survival mode activate. So this is my case in which I did my first JIC respiration, which is not much distinctly visible because I did it for myself. Hi all! Hi there, hi. Hi. First Thursday. It's 26th February, guys. We have entered second week. Tomorrow is first posted. I'm so happy. Pediatric posting didn't just teach me dentistry, it taught me patience. The real patience. The kind where a 6 year old is sitting on the dental chair for the first time ever, scared, confused, and you realize you are not just treating a tooth, you are shaping their first dental experience. So, here is where the behavior management plays an important role, which is one of our important chapters to be read before going into the pediatric postings. I handled around 2 to 3 patients of ages around 6 to 7 years who were visiting a dental clinic for the very first time. And yes, that's when I understood that being a student dentist to becoming a comfort person, from holding instruments to holding their trust, and from talking clinical language to speaking in cartoon language. Because in pediatric dentistry, you don't just explain the procedure, you explain it twice, once to the child and the other one to their parents.
So, hello guys, as you guys have already seen my vlog, so this is me finally making things easy for you for pediatric dentistry. The books which I use are Nikhil Marwa and Shobha Tandon because both of these books are nice, standard, and they are easy to read as well. Definitions, I would refer you that you should use APD and IAPD's definitions, which are very much nice and easy to understand. You should learn the definitions word to word. Now, the important chapters for pediatric dentistry are these. First is the behavior management, the development of dentition and occlusion. Cariology, it contains a lot of part like ECC, rampant caries, caries solve, caridex, and all of those points. Then talking about the oral habits, it is also one of the important chapters, and it's important that you know the fluorides, the mechanism of action, the method of application, the time period, the effect name, and all of that. So SDF and SMART technique is very important. These are asked in your Viva question. Overall, pediatrics is very easy as compiled of all the subjects that you study in final year, like endodontics, the operative part, the prosto part, the stainless steel crowns, and everything. So it is very much compiled. So it is a easier subjects, and let me know in the comments down below how you like this video. This was my first time that I shot this video and made a whole vlog out of it. So yes, comment down below and please keep watching and stay tuned for more further vlogs. Till then, okay, bye.